Savio's birthday today. Stand straight now. Why? Because Savio's birthday we could not celebrate, right? We could not celebrate Savio's birthday because of Savian was born, right? But we cut a small little, what did we cut?
Cupcake.
Macaroon.
Macaroons and cupcakes, right? Okay, so Melody sing loudly now. Stand.
Girls, can you stand up, please?
No, yeah, stand up. All stand with Melody. Melody will sing loudly. Melody, come. Sing. Sing. No, only Melody.
Happy birthday, Savio.
You all just clap and let us sing.
Happy birthday, Savio. Happy birthday,
Let's sing.
Savio. Happy birthday, Savio.
Let's sing.
How old are you now? How old are you now?
One
How
second.
old are you now just now? Happy birthday, Savio.
Okay, we all sing now. Happy birthday, Savio. Happy birthday, come forward, sunset. Happy birthday, Savio. Happy birthday, Savio. Wait, stop. First I have to say, thank you Savio for having patience to wait for 1 whole month to cut the cake, okay?
Give
We
it
could not cut
correct.
the cake earlier, and we have to also tell everybody Savio has become the class monitor. So everybody clap for Savio. Okay, Savio, make a wish. Hey, wait, you don't cut the cake now or cut first?
Blow first.
Blow your cake, make a wish, blow first and just cut half for me.
Don't not full down.
Quickly, quickly. Make your wish.
Make your
Are you
wish.
ready?
You
Made a
get.
Spider-Man wish or made a wish for your mommy's good health?
Oh, you want a girlfriend?
Quickly. No need to think so much. Finish ready, right?
First
Blow
in
the
class.
candle. Okay,
Amen.
cut the candle half. Cake half.
A bit only, a bit only.
A bit only. Enough? Yes.
Yeah.
Enough. Okay, Sophia, come. The queen is